This morning we were Jeff was trying to pour the shower pan and noticed that it was not level, and by not level I mean the house is not level, so we have to come up with a way to jack up the house with a 20-ton jack, and then possibly I think we're gonna have to pour a footer in order to keep it from sinking. And right now we're gonna take this Douglas fir beam and put it underneath the end here, and then put the jack, dig this down and then put the jack underneath of it and start jacking it up, and then hopefully get it high enough that we can pour a footer so that way this house will stop sinking. You got the wood placed.
Yeah, it's going up now. A lot better. Go in there and look at that level and see if it's where we're at with that 6 foot level. It's laying right on the floor in there.
All right, let's see where we are at. Keep going. Ooh, I can feel the whole house moving. That's
There?
nope. Keep going.
Moving it all?
A little bit.
How's that?
It's definitely a little bit closer.
Alright, well we need that other jack, and we need to jack up some other stuff too then, because this thing is I'm up off of that next one. I'm kind of putting a crinkle in our stucco over here.
Okay.
So
Now we're down on the next block. That one's good. Now we just gotta raise this one up. Oop.
we're just driving the block into the ground. We just broke it in half.
So yeah, it's not jacking the house up. It's just putting the block in the ground.
Yep. The block's busted in half now, and it's just cramming it down into the ground.
Yeah, we gotta get something wider and heavier, longer. Displace the weight out. Now we got a piece of wood. Still pretty strong pieces of wood. But it's still driving it into the ground.
I'm just driving the jack right up into that beam too.
Oh,
Is it coming up?
yep, starting to.
Okay, get ready with that step, because we're gonna have to get it in there quick before it sinks. Come on, baby, make it. Don't be fucking sinking. Get in there. It's not going, is it?
It's close.
Go. Come on.
Pretty damn close. Oh, ooh.
Something popped, huh?
The jack. It's pushing it up at an angle. It's pretty damn close.
Fuck. I can't get it.
It is so close. Oh, close.
Okay.
There it is.
All right. Let's get her down.
Ooh. That's creepy. That's a lot of weight. All right, so an update on the house being level. We got that board into place, but it just made it sink. And that's in there. So what we're gonna have to do now is pour a footer. As you see, I have my sticks marked out right there, and right there. This is gonna be 20 inches wide by 3 feet long. And then we're gonna go down 8 inches. That should be good enough to displace the weight out. And then if you are gonna do this yourself, make sure that you are gonna pour the footer along the beam, not going across it. Go along with the width. And 45 minutes into the dig with this thing, and to do something 3 feet by 20 inches going down 8 inches is a lot harder than it sounds, especially when it's only this stupid thing, because I can't get the shovel underneath there, but I am almost done. Hopefully this when this concrete dries, it will be wide enough and long enough to be able to hold up the house at the correct height, so that way we can pour the shower pan, make sure that it's level, and make sure the house is level, because we don't need the house sinking into the ground and then having our stucco start cracking all over the damn place. So wish us luck. With the hole being done, we already put our cement mix in the hole to make it easier, and then we're gonna do the mixing in the hole. I think they call that smarter, not harder. Hopefully. But hopefully the cement block is going to be good enough to hold up the center of the house at the right height. We got concrete poured into the hole, and now we leveled it off. Now we gotta wait for it to harden, and it should be good to go tomorrow morning, or possibly tomorrow evening. But we'll see. One step closer. Today we are gonna try jacking up the house. It's been a few days since we poured the concrete, and concrete takes around 28 days to be fully cured, but we think it's strong enough in order to be able to lift up the house, because we got to pour the pan. That way we can get started on the rest of the bathroom, because that's what's going to take the longest, because tile is a tedious process that takes forever to dry, and we just got to take a chance and do it. Moment of truth. I hate that sound. That sounds terrible.
That's just this wood here.
Yeah, I know. As you can see, it is coming up. How's our block holding up? Looks like it's holding up. It's coming up some. There it goes. There it is. Let me go check the bubble.
Now we need to do
One right there. That's not
another board there.
okay. Oh, that sounded nice. Let's go see if it's level. All right, let's see where we're at with the level. We are dead nuts. All right.